What's up guys, Raph here. Today is the second episode of Cooking with Raph. So what you need is a pizza base. I accidentally got some tomato paste on it. You need some tomato paste. Don't mistake it for tomato sauce. You might get bad. Need some mozzarella. My dad's just grating some mozzarella. Whatever you're putting on a pizza. We're putting salami. And mozzarella on my pizza. So what you're going to do is get the tomato paste. Yeah. If it's stuck, just get it out. You also need to put it on a tray with baking paper. It should look like a murder crime scene. So then you get your spoon and you smush all the tomato paste over the pizza. So it looks like there was no tomorrow. And if it gets stuck inside there, press the spoon against your pizza and you will get more tomato paste out. And some tomato paste might be stuck in the cracks. You got some on my hand. You got some on my hand. So make sure to get every little spot, including the edges of your pizza. Yep. Until it's firm like this. Do we have the mozzarella? Okay, I'm gonna grab some mozzarella. Look how good that looks. So most of the time you would want a cheese pizza, so make sure it isn't isn't like chunks and stuck together. So you're gonna get messy. It's gonna get messy, but it's gonna taste good. So I am nearly finished. I need some more. This bit's stuck. This bit's stuck like a rock. So now, as you can see, my pizza is... Dad, does this look ready?
Ready for what?
No
Looks
more
pretty
cheese?
good.
No more cheese?
Do you want more cheese?
Yes, I do want more cheese. Yes, I do. I'm putting so much cheese on this. Sorry. Sorry about that. Now to get the salami. ASMR with Raph. Hungarian salami. That is good. Salami. I know.
You got some on your face.
Salami mommy. Elton down! Sorry, my cat jumped up on the bench! So my pizza looks pretty good. Okay, I need one more thing. Here is it.
What are you looking for?
I don't know. Something that would go good. Okay, there's nothing.
Basil?
Nah, basil.
Olives? Pineapple? More cheese.
More cheese. Make it like cheese on top, and then melted cheese, and just salami. It'll be so good. Mm. This is the most cheesified pizza ever. So now, okay, loads of cheese just came off. Elton, down! My cat just got up on the bench again, sorry. So now we're going to put it in the oven. And I think so that was like technical stuff. Behind it. So now we're going to have to cook it in the oven and make sure that you get it nice and crispy and smooth in the oven. Hey guys, so my pizza is now done. Look at that. It smells so good. Let's get a knife. Okay, so under the cheese is salami, then more cheese. So I make sure to like and subscribe because I've been doing a very good job. Do you want yours to turn out like this? This amazingness. Right. So like, subscribe, turn notifications. Yeah. See ya in the next video.